to talk about recommendation system, three basic systems which we are going to talk about. So if I talk about, so recommendation systems are backbone of modern digital experience. For example, platform like Netflix suggest you what next movie you would like to watch. For Amazon's, what next product you would like to buy. For YouTube, what next they will show you watch, right? So this system is significantly boost the billions of revenue of the organization and keep user engaged on their cloud platform system, whatever the system they would like to see. So these are systems of which we are going to talk about today. So here is the things: data, popular, similar. So this is first one is based on popularity, simple. Second, content is similar, whatever you like, it will similar. Collaborative means it will collaborate with the other people. Understand the core system. So we are going to talk about understand that these three systems, then working code using Git, and then some of the interview questions which I added end of this article. So let's talk about the first. This is high level. Then we'll go the code. So this is the based on the sum of the factor recommendations item based on overall popularity. For example, top 10 trending movies. In case of we are looking for movies like what next movie we need to watch. Use metrics like average rating, number of votes for that movie, and content based suggest the similar item, similar what user liked before. For example, if you like Inception in the matrix, it will give the similar kind of movie. And this is the algorithm behind the scene. They use text-based text to numerical conversion and cosine similarity. Oh, right. Now the collaborative is very important. So collaborative based is the name is suggested. Collaborative means it collaborate with the other user based on the user behavior. For example, Amazon customer who might does a similar product, they will also suggest you. Use matrix factorization and neural CF, a hidden pattern, right? So now let's talk about the simple recommendation, the first one. So the concept is very similar, non-personalized recommendation. It's not personalized recommendation. This is like movie IDs and title, gens, and something like that. And there is two factor here: average rating and number of votes. And there is weight rating matrix, which is basically nothing. The formula is V divided by V plus M into R plus M divided by V plus M into C. So here is things. So two parameter out of there is six parameter here, right? So six parameter out of two, not six. So one, two is here, two is here, four. Sorry, four. It's four. I mean total here in formula 3, 3, 6, no, 8, but some are repeating. So this V plus this is same. So V plus and V plus M or something like that. So V is number of votes of movie. So this is a row level, and M is minimum number of vote required to bail out. This is like only one value, and R is average rating. So this is also row level, and this is also mean vote average. This is like average. This is also one. So M and C are so two are if you see here M and other C. So this is row level. I mean not row level. It's like one data sets only one value, and then we will calculate using this is the code you can go through. So basically what the reading file, calculating the mean, and then calculating percentile, which is M, and then we are for every row we are calculating like this value, right? And the based on the top ranking they will suggest. So this is not personalized, and this is the full code is here. You can walk through this code here. Okay, some of the interview question you can go through this. So now next one we are going to talk about content based recommendation system. Similar movies, like if you like A, like B, like C, and then you have preference of genres, which one you like, or based on some movie description and so on, so many columns, it recommend you the movie 4. So here is things. You love The Dark Knight Rise. Would you prefer similar movie to over the genres on this topic? Every movie have a description. We convert this description into TF-IDF, text representation technique. Then we measure the similar between movie using cosine similarity. And finally, we recommend the movie, the closest similar score, right? If the two movie also like Batman, crime, and this description become from another So this is the, here is the code. So I'm reading movie data and then converting into text to match, and then we calculate similarity score, and the next one we find similar movie. So we will pass the, we checking our one movie input, and then it will give the similar highest score the movie. And for example, in my code GitHub, I have given, so this is like Dark Knight Rise. For the Dark Knight Rise, they've given this kind of movie, right? So now let's talk about collaborative filtering. This is very, very important. This is based on personalized or based on, collaborative with other user, right? Popularity based recommendation, everyone see the same. Content based recommend a movie with the similar features, right? So now, but here is the real collaborative filter. Instead of looking the movie features, we learn from user behavior. User who like X also like Y, like video, like this, and this user, and this also have the same. So might be this user like 4 video, this is 3 likes, so it might be he liked the fourth one. This is the how Netflix and Spotify do the personalization, even TikTok also. So this is a simple math, there is nothing much, but this is the implementation is full code is there. So I have rating small CSV file. So load this file, rating file, and then n number of users, and then matrix factorization and initialization model, and so on. So this is very simple. This is model deployment, model training, model containerization, API endpoint, local load balance, and monitoring. What is difference between content-based and collaborative? I think you can tell now, right? Collaborative is user 1, user 3 both like item A, and item B, the since user 3 also like item D, the user it might suggest D. And content-based user like item A, know that user A like poetry, the suggest a similar item C, which is also have, poetry or something. Contents look like item, text, genre, and indicator. Collaborative looks like user item. So this is item, user item. Rating, clicks, watch history. How do Netflix the cold problem? This is before I have previous article. I have already said how they will solve problem, but I think based on geography, location, and hybrid model, mix content and collaborative they do. What is matrix factorization? This I think you need to read. Decompose user item matrix into low rank matrix, user embedding. So it's basically embedding, like everything is numbers. So you need to why the cosine similarity, and this one is very important difference. Simple, content, and collaborative. Personalized, no. Item focus. Content is item focus. Collaborative is user focus. Data use, rating popularity, item metadata, user behavior. Pros, it's easy to implement. This is explained in recommendation. Discover the new iteration. Cons, no personalization. Over specialization, cold start problem also come. So final building recommendation system is not about code. It's about understanding human behavior, right? And the best system is blended psychology and design again. Now let's go and build something which nobody can stop. Let's learning something where we goes. Here is thing. Here is my code. You can, so please like and subscribe my YouTube. Also follow me on Medium. Thank you for watching.